Screen mirroring your phone to a TV sounds like tech magic, but it's surprisingly simple. If you've ever wanted to share vacation photos or watch YouTube videos on a larger screen, this is how it's done. Let's break it down. The easiest method is using a smart TV. Most models from the last 5 years have built-in screen mirroring features. Look for screen mirroring or casting in the settings. Pain point: older TVs don't have it, but don't worry, I'll get to that. If you're using an iPhone, AirPlay is your best friend. Open Control Center, tap the screen mirroring icon, and select your TV. Done. Pro tip: both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi network for a seamless connection. Got an Android? Most newer phones have a cast option in the Quick Settings menu or Display Settings. Tap it, pick your TV, and you're good to go. Older Androids may call it Smart View. Same process, just scroll more. If your TV isn't smart, you'll need hardware like a Chromecast. Plug it into the HDMI port, set it up with the Google Home app, and boom, your dumb TV is now smarter than your ex. No offense to your ex. For iPhone users with older TVs, an Apple TV box is the equivalent hardware solution. It also connects via HDMI and uses AirPlay. Pain point: it's pricier than Chromecast. Pro tip: get a used one for half the cost. Amazon Fire Stick works for both iPhone and Android, but it's not always as smooth. Enable display mirroring on the stick, then connect through your phone's screen mirroring options. It's a solid backup plan. One common issue: lag. If you're noticing delays, check your Wi-Fi. Dual band routers help. Use 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz for better speed. Or reduce the number of devices on your network. Your roommate doesn't need to stream The Office right now. What about mirroring for work? Try an app like a Power Mirror or Mirroring 360. Both support phones and PCs. They give you more control, but beware of app subscriptions. Free trials are great, but the upsell is sneaky. Gaming? Use a direct wired connection for that. An HDMI adapter plugs directly from your phone to the TV. Pro tip: buy an official or certified one. Cheap cables often don't work with newer phones. Think $10 difference, $100 worth of headaches avoided. Audio issues are another snag. Sometimes your TV plays video but no sound. Go into sound output settings on your phone and manually direct it to the TV. Pain point solved. You'll feel like MacGyver. For troubleshooting, restart your devices. Literally, power off and on. 9 times out of 10, that fixes basic bugs. And update your firmware. Not glamorous, but outdated software is the tech equivalent of driving with a flat tire. Screen mirroring unlocks a whole new way to experience content. It takes the small moments and makes them big. Whether you're showing off home videos or making a backyard movie night, it's worth mastering. Simple, adaptable, and just plain cool.